Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a PTO calendar in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful for keeping your team informed about your time off and ensuring everyone stays on the same page when you're unavailable. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to look at the left side navigation panel in Microsoft Teams. Here, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the calendar icon. Click on it to open your Teams calendar view. This is where you'll manage all your meetings, appointments, and now your paid time off notifications. Once your calendar is open, browse through the dates and click on the specific date when your paid time off will begin. This action will open up a new event creation window where you can input all the necessary details about your time away from work. Now, in the title field at the top, type in something clear and straightforward like paid time off. This ensures that anyone viewing your calendar will immediately understand what the event represents without needing to open it for more details. Next, you'll need to specify who should receive notifications about your time off. In the Attendees field, start typing the name or email address of the person or people who need to be aware that you'll be unavailable. This could be your direct manager, team members, or anyone else who regularly works with you and needs to know about your absence. Moving on to the Dates section, this is where you'll define the duration of your paid time off, adjust the start date to match when you clicked earlier, and then set the end date to when you'll return. For example, if you're taking time off until February 2nd, make sure that date is selected as the end point. Right beside the date fields, you'll see a toggle button labeled All Day. Go ahead and toggle this on, as it indicates you'll be out for the entire duration of those days rather than just a portion. Now, let's add a helpful message in the message field. This is your opportunity to provide context and set expectations. Type something like, "Hi, I'm currently on leave with limited access to email. We'll be back on February 2nd, 2026. This message will be visible to anyone who checks your calendar or receives the notification, giving them a clear understanding of your availability and when they can expect you back. On the right side of the event creation window, you'll notice an option that says "Who can bypass the lobby?" This setting controls who can join or view certain aspects of the event. For a PTO notification, you'll want to adjust this setting to only me to maintain your privacy and control over the event details. Finally, once you've reviewed all your information and made sure everything is accurate, click the Save button. Your paid time off is now officially on the Teams calendar and the relevant people will be notified accordingly. And there you have it, a simple way to keep your team informed about your time off directly through Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.